The focus of this video will be on when Social Security benefits may be taxed. And to figure out how much of the Social Security, what percentage of the Social Security benefits may be taxed, the first thing we need to calculate is what the IRS call combined income. And so what is considered part of combined income? Well, combined income consists of your income that's non-Social Security benefit income, and plus any non-taxable interest you have, and then also 1/2 of the Social Security income. And then we'll show a couple of examples in a few minutes. But so that's what we need to do first, calculate the combined income. And then for filers, for single filers and head of household, if the combined income is below $25,000, then none of the Social Security benefits will be taxed. But if the combined income is between $25,000 and $34,000, then up to 50% of the Social Security's security benefits may be taxed. And if it's above $34,000, then up to 85% of the Social Security benefits may be taxed. So that's for single filers and head of household. And then for the case of married filing jointly, if the combined income is below $32,000, then none of the Social Security benefits will be taxed. If it's between $32,000 and $44,000, then up to 50% of the Social Security benefits may be taxed. And if it's above $44,000, then up to 85% of the Social Security benefits may be taxed. And so here's an example. And so we have a single filer named John Smith, and here are his income sources. And so he retired, and so in year 2024, his Social Security benefits is $6,000, which is from the Form 1099, SSA 1099, Box 5. And then he also received a retirement pension, a total of $20,000 for 2024. And then he also worked part-time, and the total income from the part-time job is $10,000. And then his interest income from Form 1099 INT is $1,000. And so what we want to know is how much of this Social Security benefit, how much of this will be taxed. And so first we need to calculate John Smith's combined income. And so his combined income will be 1/2 of the Social Security benefits. His Social Security benefit for 2024 is $6,000. So half of it is $3,000. And then retirement pension is $20,000, part-time job, $10,000, and then interest income, $1,000. And then add all of these up, we have $34,000. And so since his combined income is $34,000, what that means is that up to 50% of his Social Security benefits may be taxed. And to figure out exactly how much of the Social Security benefits will be taxed, then we need to complete what's called the Social Security benefits worksheet. And this is what it looks like. And so this is the Social Security benefit, $6,000. Half of it is $3,000, and then his non-Social Security income is $31,000. That's from the pension, from the part-time job, and from the interest, Form 1099 INT. And so his combined income is $34,000. And then we go all the way down here. At the end, it will tell us how much of the Social Security benefit is. So when we get to the end here, it says $3,000 of the $6,000 Social Security benefits, $3,000 will be taxed. And so what it means is that on Form 1040, And this is Form 1040, and so on line 6A, here John Smith would would enter $6,000, and then the taxable amount will be $3,000, which is 50%. And so for this example one, the case of John Smith, then for 2024, his taxable income will be the 1/2 of the Social Security benefits, $3,000, the $20,000 pension, the $10,000 from the part-time job, and the $1,000 from Form 1099 INT, which is a total of $34,000. And here's the another example. And so here we have a married couple, Larry Jones and Mary Jones, and they will be filing filing jointly for the year 2024. Larry Jones is retired, and Mary Jones has not retired, and she still works. And so here are the income sources. And so Larry Jones retired, and so his Social Security benefits for 2024 is a total of $6,000. And he also received, Larry Jones, he also has his retirement pension, which is a total of $20,000. And Mary Jones, her wage for 2024 is $15,000. And then they also receive a $1,000 interest from Form 1099 INT. So next, so we want to know how much of this Social Security, Larry Jones Social Security benefit, $6,000 here, how much of this is taxable, is taxed. And so first, let's calculate the combined, this couple's combined income. So 1/2 of Social Security benefits is $3,000, and then the Larry Jones retirement pension, $20,000, and Mary Jones wage for 2024 is $15,000, and then the interest from Form 1099 INT is $1,000. So add all of this up, we have $39,000. So this amount here is above the $32,000. And so half, and so that means that half of Larry Jones' Social Security benefits will be taxed. And so up to 50% of this $6,000 will be taxed. So this is what the Social Security benefits worksheet looks like. The $6,000, this is from the Larry Jones Social Security benefits. Half of it is $3,000. The $36,000 right here, that's the non-Social Security income. That's the $20,000 from Larry Jones retirement pension, $15,000 Mary Jones job, and $1,000 interest. So that's a total of $36,000. So the combined income is $39,000. And then if we go all the way into the end here, it says here that $3,000 of the $6,000 Social Security benefits will be taxed. And here's Form 1040 again, once again for the Larry Jones and Mary Jones. In line 6A here, they would put $6,000 here, and then the taxable amount, which is on line 6B, will be $3,000. And so once again, 50% of Larry Jones' Social Security benefits will be taxed. And so that's the end of the video.